How to turn off location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off location on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Snapchat app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Here we need to tap on the settings at the top right corner. And then we should scroll down and find category Who Can. Here we need to find option See My Location and tap on it. If you want to hide your location, you should turn on Ghost Mode and tap until turn it off. Also we can go back to our main screen and go to our settings. Here we need to scroll down and find Snapchat and tap on it. Then we should click on Location at the top, and in appearing menu we should choose option Never. And that's all. It was how to turn off location on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.